Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Durgesh Kumar. I am biomedical undergraduate at NIT Raipur. Today I gonna tell you about how to get free training courses offered by Siemens Healthineers, which is a global biomedical company. To get this course, click on the link given below in the description, or simply copy and paste in your browser. Firstly, you need to create an account on this site. For that, click on register button. You need to fill general details of your first name, last name, your email, create a new password, and retype your password. Select your country and you can skip this section. Select your communication preference as you want. For creating an account, you need to agree with term and condition and privacy policy, and then click on join now button. Check your email. You got a mail from PEP Siemens administration with a confirmation code. You need to copy that code and paste in this section. After that, click on continue button. Your account is successfully created. Go through Explore PEP Connect and click on See All. You can see these are the resources offered by Siemens Healthineers. COVID-19 resources, digital health and services, general healthcare, laboratory diagnosis, medical imaging and therapy, molecular diagnosis. I clicked on medical imaging and therapy. You can see these all are diagnosis methods and therapy methods. You can explore as you want, all are free. You can see CT, digital market space, MRI, mammography, general. You want to enroll in any course, I justly give an example. I clicked on sonography principles and instrument. Please wait while loading. These are further topics. Add courses as you want to learn by click on the Add in Plan button. As you can see, after that these courses are in my plan. Click on any topic. Click on launch button to start your course. It will take some time. Wait while loading. this topic is started. It contains of 39 pages. At the end, there is a quiz. You need to pass that quiz to get certificate. To see how many courses you have enrolled, click on My Plan. You can see both courses I had enrolled early. You can also use smartphone for these courses. For smartphone users, you need to enable desktop site option in your browser. Click on My Plan to see all courses you have enrolled. Click on Transcript to see all courses you have completed and downloading of the certificate. To download certificate, click on View Certificate. You can see certificate has downloaded. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it is useful to you. If you found something informative in this video, please like and share with your friends. And subscribe to my channel for more free courses.